After many spy shots and walk-around videos, now another short walk-around video shared by an YouTuber clearly showing us how well the Punch look against its elderly sibling Nexon. Surprisingly, the Nexon looks shorter than the Punch, credits to the boxy shape and upright pillars of the Punch as against the sloping roof of the Nexon. But not to forget that the Nexon is a segment above and will clearly have an advantage over the Punch in interior comfort and space. And that's because it's wider and more roomier than the Punch. Tata will reveal the Punch on October 4th through a virtual launch event.